Here is how to check your daily steps on your Android phone. The easiest way is to use a health app. On my Samsung phone, I use Samsung Health. So if I go and search for Samsung Health, this will appear in the search results and I can easily access it. If you haven't used it before, it will ask for access to permissions and senses during the setup. And once set up, you'll see various health categories like calories burned, and you should also see your steps over there. It gives a visual breakdown of calories burnt and distance traveled. If you use the app longer, you'll have more historical data, making it even more useful. So that's the basic way to track your steps. Keep in mind that if you're only using your phone, the data will be less precise. If you have a Samsung Galaxy Watch, its data will sync with Samsung Health and you can use a different smartwatch like Garmin and download the Garmin app from the Play Store to manage your health stats, including your daily steps within that app. So it depends on your setup, but that's the general idea. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.